Hello there, my tubers. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing? Great. I'm glad you guys are doing well. So today's video is just going to be another one of those back to the basic videos. Now, I feel like I've just been a broken record for the last couple of months. I am in the process of trying to regrow my hair. For any of you guys that are new tuning in, I did taper my hair back in I think January or February of this year, 2022. And now I'm trying to grow out my hair. Prior to me tapering my hair, I did have some mini locks that I installed myself. With that being said, I did experience some hair breakage. That's why I tapered my hair, and now that's why I'm trying to grow my hair out. Your girl has been sporting protective styles for quite some time now. I'm not even for sure anymore. I have completely lost track. So I've been doing a lot of spring twists and braids, but braids more than anything. In my mind, the pandemic is still going on in my mind because COVID is still real and out there, and your girl just be scared to be out there mixing and mingling, you know. I'm just scared to be out there. And so I have not had the opportunity to purchase me a wig. I know that I can order wigs from online, but you know, sometimes I'm a little skeptical because when it comes to that type of thing, I really prefer to see it in person before I make a purchase such as a wig. But who knows, I may have to break down and do that because I'm so tired of wearing braids. Although I love braids. Braids are my signature hairstyle. However, I just need a break from braids. And so I got to figure out what I'm going to do after I take these braids down. Now, in my personal opinion, truth of the matter is you really don't need any products to grow your hair out. Okay? That's my personal opinion. Although it does help in some instances as far as trying to keep your scalp moisturized, but ultimately you need to eat right and drink plenty of water. That's the area I've been struggling in, is drinking enough water. I'm drinking water, but not as much as I used to, and I'm working on trying to better myself in that area. In the meanwhile, while working on those things, back to the basics. The product that I'm going to, and I believe I've done a video on this last year or the year before last, I can't even remember. I'm going back to none other than the Dr. Miracle. I'm going back to the Dr. Miracle Grow Oil. Y'all, I used to use Dr. Miracle Relaxer back when I used to wear permed hair, and I used to use a lot of Dr. Miracle products as well. And back then, the scent of Dr. Miracle products was different than what it is now. So, this daily moisturizing grow oil, I use it maybe once or twice a week. I have not applied any this week for the sake of today's video, but I'm going to apply it today. Y'all, I like the packaging because it's like a recyclable hair box, if that makes sense. It's like a recyclable box, so I like that part about it because I'm all about protecting and saving and reserving the earth. What you need to know about this product, you guys, it soothes and treats the scalp and promotes healthy. So one of the reasons I got this product, because yes, I'm trying to grow my hair out, but in doing that, I know I need to keep my scalp moisturized. So a good thing about this particular product is that it soothes and treats the scalp and promotes healthy looking growth. Also, this is a 2-in-1 product. What do I mean by 2-in-1? You guys, you can just apply it directly to your scalp, or you can use it as a hot oil treatment and apply it to your hair, scalp. So I like that it is what I would consider to be a 2-in-1, so I'm getting more bang for my buck. I don't have to have a moisturizing oil on top of buying a hot oil treatment, if that makes sense. So let me jump back. So I mentioned about it has a better scent. So it states here it has a new scent. So let's go ahead and open this box, okay? This is not an unboxing because I've been in this box. That's why I look all oiled up all around the box, okay? So here it is. As you guys can see, I have truly been using this oil. Okay, so let me just say this. It does consist of a few different things. It is blended with vitamin A, E, avocado, and aloe vera. So this is for a healthier hair growth process for you. Y'all, if you didn't know, Dr. Miracle was known for its fillet formula. Now I have to be honest with you, since they've changed up the scent, and I'm not sure if they've changed anything with the recipe, I don't feel that same fillet formula that I would feel back in the day when I used to use it. Basically what the fillet formula is, you get this nice tingly sensation, but tingly in a good way. It doesn't sting, it doesn't burn, or it didn't sting, it didn't burn. It's just a nice soothing tingling sensation that you would feel when you would apply the product. I haven't felt that since they've changed the scent of this, but it doesn't mean that it's not working. I just don't feel no fillet formula, okay? But that's okay. I'm not complaining. I do like the top here. I like that it has this pointy stem here. I forget what you call it, but it makes it easier for you to go directly into those areas where you want to apply. So without further ado, it's time for me to go ahead and apply the product. But before I do, I want you guys to get a look at what my hair looks like now, okay? To have an idea as to the amount of new growth I have currently. And then again, all I've been using is the Dr. Miracle product. And I've only been using it now for about 2 weeks. And so this is the hair growth that I've experienced within 2 weeks. Okay. And it's probably hard to see y'all because I got these braids, but my problem area is truly in the back. And I'm not quite ready to reveal that to you guys right now, but, and I don't want to call it a problem area, but that's my area that I'm truly just keeping a watchful eye on and really giving a lot of attention back there. So I will be applying a product back there. So before I go to applying the product, the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and I want to take these earrings out. Now before I apply the product, I like to give it a quick little shakey shake. And that's just to get, you know, the blend activated. The aloe vera, the vitamin A, the vitamin E, all that good stuff. Get it all shaken up. And then the next thing that I do is, and I don't do anything special, I just kind of go in and I apply the product throughout various areas of my scalp. Now, one thing that I don't like is it is very runny. So what I mean by that is it's going to be very important that when you do apply this product that you massage it in really well. If not, what you're going to find is that you're going to have a lot of running of the oil all down your neck onto your clothes. So really take the time to massage it in there really well. Y'all, and this is my favorite thing. I love giving my scalp a nice massage. What I like to do is I kind of like to go around my perimeter like so, because I am trying to thicken my edges. And after I apply all the product that I want to apply, you guys, what I like to do, and this is just totally your option. This is not something you have to do. I like to go in and just put a little water on my hands and just add a little water to my scalp. Or you can use a spray bottle, but when I'm feeling lazy, I just kind of wet my hands and apply it to my hair because she loves water, and I usually do that about 2 or 3 times. Just make sure I got a little water in some of those spots. That is it. And then, you know, if you're feeling a little baby hairish, you add you some baby hair and you go on about your life. If not, I throw my headscarf on, my bonnet, put it that way, I throw my bonnet on, like so. And she ready.